Okay, so now, like I said in the last video, we're going to create a logo. About 2 weeks ago, I showed you how to do the video animations on renderforest.com. We're still at the same site, too. You see it right there, renderforest.com. But now we're going to make a logo on this site. So first thing, you're going to click on Create a Logo in the top menu. Okay, so you see it says Logo Maker Brand Guidelines, but right here you want to type in your brand name. So I just make up anything. Fashion Elite. Then you click where it says Create My Logo. So now on this page where it says Tagline in the middle, here you would put the slogan for your fashion or whatever for your brand. You put the tagline, which is like your slogan. So I just make up anything. For this example. Then in the description, you got to describe your company, your brand. So this website can make suggestions for like different graphics to put on your logo, icons, stuff like that. So we're just going to type fashion line, clothing line. You type in the description. Then you come down, click where it says next. So as you can see here, we did the brand name up in this top column where it says T. So now we're on the second part, which is style. So you can pick which style you want your logo to be. Just drag your mouse over the icon. It'll show you examples. Then it has a description, like it says artistic water color made logos. Up here it says flat logos full of object shapes, characters. Look at the different ones. It says minimal logos made from typography. So you got 6 choices. You just click on the one you like. When you click on it, you see it's highlighted. So now we're going to come down and click next. Alright, so to the left column, you see examples they already made. Right here, like the brand name, Fashion Elite. You see the slogan under it. They got icons. You can just click on this gray bar, scroll down to see the examples. Now right here in the middle, these are the mockups. Also, we're on the customized section, you see, which is step 3 up here. Now if you come to this gray bar to the right and scroll down, it should, actually come to the bottom where it says preview on more mockups. You click on that, then come to this gray bar to the right here, scroll down, and you can see how it would look, like how your logo would look on a t-shirt, how it would look on a coffee mug, a business card, all that. Cell phone cover. So those are your mock-ups. Over here, you just pick which one you like, and then you can customize it more. I'll pick this for now. Click on it, it highlights it, it shows you how it will look on different products. Then when you're ready to move on, click edit and download, and you can edit and customize more. As you can see right here, you can click on the blue circle, stretch it out, move it over however you like. Same thing, come down here, click on the slogan, put the mouse over the circle, drag it over. Also, when you put it in the middle, when you see this cross, you can move it up, move it wherever you want. Same thing, come up, click the icon, there's the cross, you can move it over. Or you could control the size from here, where it says icon size. Just click the circle, slide it over with the mouse. Text size, same thing. Slide it over, your tagline size. So you have those controls. Also, you could change the position of the icon. Like we click on this box right here where it says position. You can put it to the side, can put it under, click that one. Click here, that puts it to the right, or click the first one, that puts it up top. So you can play around with that. And this is canvas mode, you want to keep it there. We already saw mockup. So basically you want to keep it on canvas. Now in this left column, you click on text, you can change the font. As you see down here, you can just scroll, look at the different fonts, choose which one you like. I just click on that for now. That's the logo text. If you click on tagline text right there, in the top column, same thing. You choose a different font, click on whatever you want. If you want to change your slogan, you could do it right there. Come back here, click on the logo text. If you want to change the brand name, you could do that here. Also the letter spacing, drag it over. Create as much spacing as you want. So you can play around with that, the text. You come back to the left, click on the color palette where it says color. Of course, you could change the colors. It's showing you what's selected here. You can come here, click on the blue, click on the pink. This is mainly for the logo. Let me see. Yeah, this is just for changing the color for the logo. So you can play around with that. You can click more colors and it'll give you more. You just scroll down. You know, you got your yellow, purple, whatever. Another way is to actually click on, like right here, if I want to change the icon, where it says icon, click on the color. And then you could just click on different areas to get a lighter shade, a darker shade. You know, you can play around with it. Then when you're done, come to this arrow in the top left. Just click that. It'll bring you back here. And last, right here where it says icon, you click on that. Here's where you could change your icon. Pick different ones. You could also pick a different style. Like we saw earlier. I'm not going to mess with that. I'm going to leave that alone. Come back to icon. So on icon, you type in a word like fashion, and it'll give you suggestions that automatically pop up. If you want to see some, some more icons right here. If you like that better, you could click on that. Just click on it, then move it to wherever you want. Drag everything down. Hold up. Right here, pick whatever you want. Click on it, drag it. But yeah, that's basically how you create a logo in renderforest.com. So now when you're done, once you finish with it, click download on the right, and it'll bring you to the screen, which is free, but you see it's low quality, and it says non-profit use. So you basically would want the commercial usage, which is $9.99. They got different packages. Here's another one, $39.99. You could be more creative with it, more variations, more mock-ups, but you basically click download and it'll download it to your computer. So yeah, that's this tutorial right here, how to make a logo. Also on the site you can design a website. I'll probably show that in the next video. Make sure you like, subscribe, share. We've got a lot of videos. Check the playlist, the video design. Also got an Instagram playlist. So yeah, check those out. Make sure you subscribe. And in the description, I'll leave a link where you could drop your email to get this new Instagram offer that I'm promoting. Helps you grow your audience and become an influencer. You'll see the link in the description. You can click on that, drop your email in there, and that's it for this video.